नजीक बेटा
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, little learners. How are you, all of you? Fine? Fit? Big smile, yes. Dana? Very good girl. Big smile for you all. Okay. How are you? Fine? Fine? Yes, very good, everyone. Sit properly. Come on. Now we will do the prayer, okay? Children, stand. Sit properly. Join your hands. Close your eyes. Om Bhurbhuvasvaha Tasmareenya Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat Om Bhurbhuvasvaha Tasya Viturvareenya Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat Om Bhurbhuvasvaha Tasya Viturvareenya Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Touch your hands fast. Touch your eyes. Refresh. Okay, yes. Everyone, repeat with me with action. Okay? जैसे मैं करती हूँ ऐसे आपको करना है भी. We do one warm up activity. Okay? Children? Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? Yes? Tap your head. Tap your head. Come on. Tap your head. Stand up. Stand up, everyone, first of all. Yes. Stand up. Tap your head. Tap your head. Stick your finger. Stick your finger. Come on, fast. Stick your finger. Stick your finger. Yes. Stick your finger. Stick your finger. Pull your chin. Pull your chin. Where is your chin? Show me. Yes. This one is your chin, na? This is your chin. Pull your chin. Pull your chin. Yes. Yes. Touch your nose. Touch your nose. Touch your nose. Touch your nose. Rub your stomach. Rub your stomach. Rub your stomach. Rub your stomach. Come on. Where is your stomach? Show me. Where is your stomach? Yes. Touch your stomach. Touch your stomach. Tap your hand. Left. Tap your left. Tap your left. Left right. जैसे करते हैं left right. Tap your. stand up and do बच्चा. Come on. Stand up. Yes. Stand up. Left right करो सब लोग. Left right. Left right. Left right. Left right. Yes. Yes. Fast करो. चलो. Yes. Left right. हाँ. Yes. Very good, everyone. Yes. Okay. Very good, everyone. Are we also giving me thumbs up? Very good, bacha. Yes. Everyone, take out your worksheet now. Come on. Yes. Wait a minute. I'll show my worksheet. Okay. First of all of you turn off your camera. Come on. Turn off your camera, bachcho. Yes. Very good, everyone. Wait a minute. Today we'll do this page, 15 page. Okay. Today we do our 15 page. Yesterday which 4 letter we learned? Who one will tell me? Yesterday which 4 letter we learned? U, V, W, X. Yes, very good, everyone. Yes. Are you remember? Are you remember, children? Yesterday which 4 letter we learned? Dhyana, yes ma'am. Okay, beta. Aksh, Dhyana, Harvi, Heer, Jaina, Jia, Jian, Krishil, Rahi, Selvi, Vihan, Yanik, Samya. Okay. Tell me all of you which 4 letter we learned yesterday? U, V, W, yes, yes. All you know that phonic sound, that 4 letter? Are you know that? We revise once again today, okay? You see. All of you repeat with me. Okay, children? You say up. Come on. You say up. You say up. You say what? All of you repeat with me. आपको अल्फाबेट के साथ उसके फोनिक्स भी आना चाहिए, फोनिक साउंड भी आना चाहिए. ओके बच्चों? You say up. You say up. We say what. B says what. W says what. W says what. Everyone repeat with me. X says. X says. Okay, children? Yes. Everyone, very good, everyone. Now we do our 15th page. Open your 15th page. Come on. Open your 15th page. Right here. Classwork. CW. Okay. And here mention today's date. Who will tell me what is today's date? 10? Yes, Dana, very good. Quick answer. Very good, bacha. 10, 3, 21. Jian also giving the answer. Yes, 10 today. Okay, today's date is 10, 6, 21. Okay, so children, mention here date and mention here CW. Okay, children. So children, I am reading the heading here. Let's identify the sounds of the given picture and match each of them with their first letter. Okay. Here also some pictures are there. Okay, we match it with first letter. Can you tell me what is the name of this alphabet? Can you tell me? Who one will tell me what is the name of this alphabet? Samya, Y. Very good. Yanik. Yes. Jian also giving the answer. Yeah, Y. Yes. Yes. Vihan also giving. Why? Okay. Okay. Where are others? Where are others? This is why. Why says yeah. Why says yeah. Okay. Can you tell me what is there in the picture? Who one will tell me? Dhyana? Dhyana?
हाँ मैम के
Good morning.
गुड मॉर्निंग
How are you?
I am fine.
Yes, very good. Tell me what is there in the picture?
थैंक यू मैम
Tell me, bacha. What is there?
या
Yak. Very good, bacha. Very good. Yes. So, children, now sit here like this. Okay? Yak, 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 yak. Okay? Very good, Dhyana. Next, Harvi. Harvi, don't turn off your camera. On your camera, okay? Just turn off and tell. What is there in the picture?
इसकी बेस वो
Can
कौन सा
you tell
पिक्चर
me?
है
Harvi, don't turn on your camera, bacha. Turn off your camera.
कौन सा पिक्चर है
Tell me what is there in the picture?
सर को बोल टू
Tell me what is there in the picture? Can you see? See. What is there in the picture?
वो कौन सा पिक्चर है मैं सब बोल चुकी
मुझे पता नहीं
टू
Tell me, Pataphat. No, Harvi. This is the picture of zoo. Okay. This is the picture of.
apa coba yuk
मैम के ना जवाब आपको
आप गए हो बच्चा?
yes madam
आप गए हो?
yes
तो what you see in the zoo?
zoo
What you see in the zoo? Tell me.
जू में कौन सा एनिमल रहता है वाइल्ड एनिमल वेरी गुड
उसमें कितने
बच्चा।
वाइल्ड होता है
Then lots of झूला is there na? Seesaw and swing, slide and animals, birds. Yes or no?
यस
yes
Zoo, but this one is not related to why. Okay. So children, I am unmuting here. Can you tell me what is the picture of this? What is there in the picture? Can you tell me? Here. You are not audible, बच्चा. आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है मुझे. Here. Okay, next. Jaina. Good morning. Good morning, Jaina. Here, turn off your camera. What is the picture? What is the picture of this? Tell me. What is there in the picture? Turn off your camera. Yes, very good, bacha. Thank you. Can you tell me what is there in the picture? फटाफट बोलो बच्चा. Zaina. This is the picture of yo-yo. Yo-yo. Okay. So children, match it here like this. Yo-yo. Okay. क्या आपने इससे खेला है कभी भी बच्चों? Are you play with it? Yes. Yes. Very good. So children, yeah, why say yo-yo? So children, here is, what is there in the picture? What is there in the picture? Can you tell me, any one of you? He तो हो गया ना, हीर का, जिया का बोल. Okay. The next one is जिया. जिया.
Jia.
What is there in the picture? Tell me, जिया. आपको दिख रहा क्या है? क्या है बच्चे बोलो? Zigzag. Yes. These are the line of zigzag line. Okay. So children, this one is not related to this. So we move over next picture. Okay. Then who is next? Jian. 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 Tell me what is there in the picture? Yan. Very good. So children, match it here like this. Yes. Very good. Yan. Yan. Okay. Yak. Yo-yo. Yan. After Y, which letter will come? Z. That says. So children, here is the picture of zoo. So match it here like this. Zoo. Okay. Here also the picture of zigzag. So match it here like this. Okay children. And here also you match it here like this. This is the picture of zip. Okay. These 2 lines for your class work, these 3 lines for your homework. Okay children, write here HW. Okay. So children, are you ready for writing portion? Take your pencil and eraser. Yes, Dana, yes, very good. So this is capital Y. Here you write one slanting line. Okay. And beside of this one, another slanting line. This is our capital Y. And after this, the small y will come. Here also write in middle. Okay, write in the middle line, center line. One slanting line. Another slanting line in the down, one small curve. Okay children. This is our small y, this is our capital Y. Here you write one small slanting line. Another slanting line. This is our capital Y. In the middle, you write one small slanting line. Start from this line. You take it here down, one slanting line and small curve in the down line. Okay, bottom line. Okay, children. All of you writing? Write with me. Okay. मेरे साथ लिखना है सबको. Okay, children. Here also you write one slanting line, slant line. Here you write one another B slanting line. Okay. And here you write one small slanting line. One in the middle. from here to here. Okay, one slanting line and small curve here. Okay, here also the same slanting line, one big slanting line. In the middle line, slanting line. From here to here, one slanting line, and on one small curve. Okay, children. This is our small Y. This is our capital Y. After this, which letter will come? After Y, Z will come. So, children, here you write one sleeping line, one slanting line, another slanting line. Okay, children, this is our Z, capital Z, Mama Z. Okay, this is Mama Z. This is our small Z, baby Z. Sleeping line in the middle. Okay, you have to write small Z in the middle line. Sleeping line, slanting line, another small sleeping line. Okay, this is our baby Z, baby Z. Here also you write the same. Sleeping line, slanting line, another sleeping line. Okay, children. Here you write small sleeping line, small slanting line, and in the middle line, here also we write here one small sleeping line. Okay. Okay. Our next Z, another line for Z. Here also we write the same. Sleeping line, slanting line, another sleeping line. This is our Mama Z. This is our capital Z. Okay. This is here also you write small Z. Sleeping line, slanting line, small sleeping line. This is our baby Z. Like you all. You are also small baby, na? Yes or no? So, it is also the small Z, baby Z. Okay, children? Here you write one sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line. Okay? Sleeping line, slanting line, another sleeping line. Okay, children? So, children, this is our Z, this is our Y. Y says ya. Y says ya. Z says za. Z says. Okay, children? Have you completed your work? Have you finished your work? मैम का तो पूरा हो गया ना, इधर पूरा मैम ने लिख लिया. आप लोगों ने लिखा? If your work is completed, show me your worksheet. Come on. If your work is completed, show me your worksheet. Okay, Jian, very good, bacha. Jian, very good. Okay, very good. Harvi? Okay, bacha, very good. Jia? Yes, very good, Jia. Yes, Jia. This is who's this worksheet? I'm not getting his name. इधर नाम नहीं आ रहा है, किसी का वर्कशीट दिख रहा है. All of you completed your work. Dhyana, Jainesh, and Arvi, Keer, Zia, Zian, Krishil, Lisa, Prahi, Selvi, Bihan, Yannick, Samya. Yes, very good. इधर किसी का वर्कशीट दिख रहा है लेकिन उनका नाम नहीं आ रहा है, मैं कैसे बोलूं? उनका नाम कैसे लूं मैं? The name is not coming. Yes, Jaina. Very good, Jaina. Okay. Okay, everyone. Then which two letters we studied today? Which two letters studied today? We studied only two letters. We studied only two letters today. Which letter? Y and Z. Y and Z. Okay, children. Y says yeah. Y says yeah. Z says Z says okay, everyone repeat with me. Y says yeah. Z says the. Z का फोनिक साउंड क्या है? Okay? Okay, all of you understood? All of you understood today's concept? आपको आज समझ में आया मैंने क्या करवाया? सबको समझ में आया बच्चों? Yes? Yes. So tell me, how many alphabets are there? Tell me how many alphabets are there? Wait. Wait a minute. Yes, 26. Children, I am ending our session now. अभी आ रही है मेरी आवाज? बाय।